Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Avalanche AVAX from your Phantom wallet to Bitrue exchange. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Bitrue offers great trading options, and Phantom is a secure wallet for your assets. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025. Open the app and unlock it with your password or biometric authentication. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the AVAX token from your list of assets. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough AVAX to send. Remember, you'll need to cover any network fees. Next, head over to the Bitrue website or app and log in to your account. Go to the deposit section, select Avalanche AVAX from the list of cryptocurrencies and generate or copy your unique deposit address. This is crucial. Never share this address with anyone else, as it's specific to your Bitrue account. Now, back in Phantom Wallet, tap on the Send button for your AVAX. Paste the Bitrue deposit address into the recipient field, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Always double-check the address to avoid costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. You'll see a fee estimate. Make sure it fits your budget before proceeding. Hit the Confirm button, and Phantom will prompt you to review the transaction details one last time. Once you're sure, approve it with your wallet's security features. Sit back and wait for the blockchain to confirm the transfer. It usually takes a few minutes on the Avalanche network. And there you have it. Your AVAX should now be in your Bitrue account, ready for trading or whatever you have planned. If you run into any issues, check the official docs or reach out to support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.